chiesto a Claudia me l'ha mandata, quindi ho detto ok.
Well,
Come on,
we're here.
Nice little greenhouse we're in here.
Yep. This is it. Heger Hall. Spelled with an E. We got an 80 series one. You can see
With a
why.
digital indicator though.
Yep.
You can see how obvious of a slap on this thing is.
Yeah. This building probably way older than this elevator.
Oh, I love this when it says light ray.
Oh, yeah. What, for the sensors?
Yeah, for the opticals. These
Take
might
one
be
more.
the original sensors, yeah.
I'll take one more lap.
Okay. The light ray is operating.
Light ray is operating.
I think this one might be from the early 90s.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. We will take a look at the light ray on the way out.
Yes. Very nice light ray.
Very nice.
It has a key to disable access so the building can be locked this way.
Yep.
Or you could just fucking lock this, but I mean, I'm not fucking Copernicus here.
All right. Well, that is it.